Hi, my name is Bert and welcome to Web and Data. I'm a developer. I started developing software back in the day when I was like 13 years old. Started with a Commodore 64, so I'm aging myself there. Basically, I love what I do, and I'm a hands-on architect, and I've been doing a lot of contracting. And now I'm actually starting out on my own, and it's about time. I've wanted to do this for a while, but just taking care of family and other things have come up. So now I'm focused and ready, with the experience that I've gained in the last 25 years developing software for others and helping them with their business. I'm reaching out and getting started. I've already launched a small application, a small app called Just Some Game. And basically I was looking at the app market to see how the app market works. Just Some Game is a simple game that I developed to help my son with his addiction. Well, he's rather young right now, 3 months, but it's never too early to start. So stay tuned. I'll be talking about my journey, sharing advice, and also coming up with different perspectives and angles so that you and I can share and maybe help each other out achieve these goals and get our ideas into apps or websites or whatever we're trying to create and get it out there. So thanks again for visiting Web and Data on YouTube. Check out my website on webanddata.com or quizkit.com to get more information about the new products that we're pushing out there. Thanks again. And please, subscribe or, just add a comment, any questions, ideas, I'm all ears. Thanks again. Bye.